Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new, totally redesigned 2025 Nissan Kicks. This subcompact crossover is back and better than ever, ready to conquer your city adventures and weekend getaways. Let's start with the head-turning design. The 2025 Kicks boasts a bold and confident look. It's grown up a bit, with a more muscular stance and sharper lines compared to its predecessor. The iconic floating roof design remains, but with a fresh twist. Keep an eye out for the signature Kicks boomerang taillights, now positioned higher for added visual impact. This isn't just a pretty face, though. The Kicks comes in a variety of stunning colors to match your personality. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a modern and comfortable cabin designed with you in mind. The materials feel upscale, and everything is laid out intuitively for a stress-free driving experience. The centerpiece is the new infotainment system, featuring a larger touchscreen that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Stay connected, entertained, and informed on every ride. Speaking of space, the 2025 Kicks offers ample room for passengers and cargo. Whether you're packing for a weekend camping trip or just running errands, the Kicks has you covered. Don't forget about the panoramic sunroof option, available for the first time on the Kicks. Let the sun shine in and enjoy a brighter, airier feel on your journeys. The 2025 Kicks isn't just about looks and comfort. It delivers a peppy and efficient driving experience, perfect for navigating city streets and exploring scenic highways. And for those seeking extra capability, the 2025 Kicks introduces available all-wheel drive for the first time. Take your adventures further, no matter the weather conditions. Safety is paramount at Nissan, and the Kicks comes packed with advanced driver assistance features. These include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, giving you peace of mind behind the wheel. So, if you're looking for a stylish, versatile, and feature-packed subcompact crossover, then the 2025 Nissan Kicks deserves a serious look. It's the perfect companion for your everyday adventures, big or small. Head down to your local Nissan dealer for a test drive and experience the Kicks for yourself. We guarantee you'll be impressed. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the 2025 Nissan Kicks in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews. We'll see you on the next one.